out the best eye holes in the world. You can clip everything to the body and have a nice form-fitting ghost outfit, but it's all going to be for naught if you don't have the right clothes on underneath the sheet. For example, what I'm wearing, this would be bad. These are bad colors. They're dark, they're thicker, and even medium-sized sheets, they could shine through. The effect of an ethereal entity at a party is going to totally be ruined if you can see like the arm lines, the pant lines, belts, and everything showing through. Sheets are going to have a slight transparency, so I recommend wearing lighter colors underneath, as our volunteer has done today, which we'll now demonstrate taking the sheet off. White is, of course, the best color. It's not going to show through at all. That is the best. But light gray also works. Light blue is another shade, although I wouldn't go any darker. If you have a medium blue, again, you're going to start showing through. People are going to start seeing that the ghost indeed does have underclothes on underneath there.